Asprova User Day is an annual Kaizen event. We present the latest features. We introduce also our development roadmap, what will happen in next few years. Other side, the users are reporting their latest methodology of Asprova usage, and we share this Kaizen technology within the Asprova, each other, we learn each other.
We have been using Asprova since 2014.
We use Asprova since November last year.
We've been using Asprova software since 2020. We needed to look into a system that actually could help us solve this huge bottleneck of late orders we were having.
We have a big structure, 30 different levels of products that we need to plan every day.
We use Asprova because we have different challenges in each department. Asprova gives us a really good overview of all our processes.
You can use Asprova to create your own scheduling logic.
We can have a precise delivery when we're doing some forecasting for customers.
With Asprova we can react very fast on changing on the demands from the customer.
Asprova makes my job easier.